Hi everyone, today I would like to show you how to upgrade an old Orbiter 2.0 using the Orbiter 2.5 kit. What we have here in the kit is the new main drive gear assembled on the spider shaft with the inside bearing already. We have a spare latch, we have a spare bushing, planetary gears, the front bearing and the 3 small bearings for these planetary gears. Let me show you how the new spider shaft looks like. So it has a knurled surface in this area, and the idea here is that the diameter of this knurled area, it's a little bit larger than the inside diameter of the gear, the main drive gear, and making this pretty hard to press it on. You need a press. But with this mechanism we can ensure that this gear is very stiff and it's perfectly concentrated on the drive gear shaft, so every wobbling it's reduced to a minimum, and this improves for sure the print quality. First thing we want to do is to take apart the old Orbiter 2.5. So first take out the latch, screw, and then with a flat screwdriver take out the exit guide like this, and then unscrew these two screws holding the stepper motor. Good. Take off the stepper, put it aside. Now here is the gearing. In principle you could reuse the old planetary gears as you have or replace them, doesn't matter. The idea why we sent maybe some of the orbiters are old and brand new gears will help to refresh the quality. And then from the front side you can push out the gear like this. Cool, it came out. You can also take these gears down. Sometimes with some of the orbiters the small bearings here are stuck, so anyway we have included brand new bearings, these ones, so in case yours are stuck in the old shaft you don't have to worry. Yeah, and this is also what you can put aside. Okay. Now from your old Orbiter you can replace the shaft if you latch if you want or not, but the gear must be exchanged, so the easiest way is to push it from the inside toward the outside. You see, it pushed out, the pin come out, and then we have here the old peak bushing, which I would exchange with the new one. So we need the new gear. Here is the new gear, here is the brand new peak bushing, and we have to install it in the housing like this. And of course now the pin will go from the outside. Notice here these are some knurled area, and this will help it keep it stuck in the plastic. So that's how it should be installed. In the same way, if you want to remove the latch, you have to push the pin from the outside towards the inside with a screwdriver. Let me show you how. Oh, sorry, from the inside to the outside. See, it came out. Here is the pin, the latch. You can see the old bushing here inside, and in the same way you can push it back. Perfect. So now we have the latch installed with the new idler gear. Let's move on to the main shaft. So here we have the main shaft. We have to install the 3 small bearings. You have to be careful that it's very well aligned, because the tolerances are pretty tight and is not going so easy in if it's not perfectly aligned. It's a little bit complicated to do this under the camera. Okay, now we have the 3 small bearings mounted, and you can press on top the planetary gears like this. Very easy. Now you may notice the old bearing is still here inside. We can push this out and replace it, or you can keep it in, it doesn't matter. But for this exercise, let's change also the front bearing. Now it's stuck. You can help yourself with the flathead screwdriver to take it out. So now you see it's out. Okay. We have the new bearing which fits here. In the kit you might find also some shims, and if the gear is too much inside the extruder, you can add some shims here. I did not receive those shims from LDO, but I will try it without. So here is the full thing assembled. Now push this assembly into the housing. It should going relatively easy, like this. Perfect. Now we have to add on top the gears housing. You may add a little bit of grease inside here. If you can see, I already have greased it before, so I will not add it again. And this should go on pretty simple. Don't force it. Try to find a position in which this goes on very easily, like this. You see, very easy. And the next step is adding the stepper motor in the same way. Try to line it perfectly, and the motor should go in very easily. Great, like this. And now fix the motor in place with the 2 fixing screws. And now this part is done. Try to show here the alignment, so you can see that the drive gear is a little bit toward the front of the extruder, so adding 2 or 3 shims in between the drive gear and the front bearing will help to align the drive gear with the exit hole. Anyway, this is not so critical, since the flat bottom cut allows the filament to move left to right a little bit without ruining your printing performance. The last step is to install the tension screw like this. Tighten it up to the maximum, and there you go, your brand new upgraded Orbiter 2.5. Thanks for watching.